Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I thought today would be a good day to update my brow routine since it's been like a year. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to be notified when I upload my videos, click the bell button at the bottom so you can be notified and we can get it on and popping, you know? Period. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm just gonna take the spoolie and clean up my brows or brush them in place. So I'm gonna be taking the same ColourPop pencil. This is in the shade Black and Brown. And I'm just gonna outline my brow. Don't worry if you mess up tracing your brow because you're going to clean that up with concealer anyway. So like, you know. I like my outline to be very dark because I like my brows to be dark. It's just how it is. Next, I'm just going to fill in my arch because I have a scar right there. This doesn't really work on my scar, so I have to take the pencil, fill it in. Next, I'm going to take this angle brush and I'm going to take ColourPop's pomade in the shade Black and Brown, the same as the color pencil. Now, I'm just not going to be putting this everywhere. Y'all can't be doing it now. I'm going to point my brush up and I'm going to do light strokes upward. Y'all can't just be and I'm just creating little hairs at the front, in the front, to make it look like I got some hairs up there, you know. I do, but you can't see them, so. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other brow.
What the heck is this on my brow? What is that?
You don't want to start at the front of your brows first. Always start towards the end or the middle. brush them out just a little bit, you know, make it look natural. Just filling in the spots where the pomade didn't take. Tarte Shape Tape in the color light medium honey. Also use foundation because this is really not my color, but I also use foundation and I mix it with the Tarte Shape Tape to clean my brows. Just gonna take it on the back of my hand, just a small amount, and then I'm gonna shake this. And then I'm just gonna mix it.
Just wait, okay?
This is the best brush to blend out your concealer, like, y'all. Now I'm going to take the rest of that product that's on the back of my hand and clean the top of my brows. See what I mean? Trust the process. I'm going to be taking that Real Techniques brush again and just blending out the concealer that's on the top of my brow and this over here. You got, y'all, if you mess up or if you like still need to go back and clean up, that's fine and dandy. Like, go back and clean it up because brows gotta be on point, okay? Like, period. Brows always gotta be on point. You can't be half stepping. Now I'm just taking this Real Techniques brush and then just using the excess concealer that's on it. I keep doing this. Using the excess concealer that's on it and just blending out the top of my brow. Yes, get into it, honey. Okay. Get into these lashes though, like what?
I look like my bitch, yeah.